Oil and Gas Professional. Visit ogpcourses.com for oil and gas courses. Plug valves. Plug valves are also known as cocks. They have cylindrical as well as tapered disc. They are generally used for full flow service as gate valves and where quick shut off is required. They are not generally designed for flow regulation except when specially designed plug are used, example for gas flow throttling. The tapered plug tends to jam and requires a high operating torque. This is overcome to some extent by the use of a low friction seat or by lubrication. The friction problem can also be solved by a mechanism which raises the disc from the seat before rotating it or by using the eccentric design. Construction. When opening in the tapered plug gets aligned with the direction of pipe, full flow is obtained. Flow terminates when plug is rotated quarter turn. To achieve maximum flow efficiency, careful design of valve internal counters is essential. Ports are generally rectangular, but circular ports are also available. Available valve patterns or types are regular, venturi, short round port. Mostly plug is tapered downward, but upward tapered plug also available. Top entry. Most of the plug valves are top entry. In top entry plug valves, the tapered plug is installed from the top of the valve. Bottom entry. When plug is tapered upwards and is installed from the bottom opening in the valve body. Cylindrical plugs provide for larger port openings equal to or greater than the pipe flow area. The regular pattern employs the tapered form of your port openings, the area of which is from 70 to 100% of the internal pipe area. In some cases, the face-to-face lengths are greater than those of standard gate valves. Venturi pattern. Streamlined flow and reductions in the port size. The port opening area 40 to 50% of the internal pipe area. In most of the plug valve, the port opening varies from 60 to 70% of the pipe area. Round port full bore. Operating efficiency is equal to or greater than the gate valves. Multi-port valves provide simplification of piping and convenience in operation. One 3-way or 4-way multi-port valve may be used in place of 2, 3 or 4 straight-way valves. Lubricated plug valves. Lubricated plug valves consists of a cavity in the middle of plug along its axis. This cavity is closed at the bottom and fitted with a sealant injection fitting at the top. The sealant is injected into the cavity and a check valve below the injection fittings prevents the sealant from flowing in the reverse direction. The sealant oozes out from the center cavity through radial holes into lubricant grooves that action along the length of the seating surface of the plug. Advantages. Sealant helps create a renewable seal between plug and the body which prevents internal leakage. It also protects the seating surface against corrosion. It also acts as a lubricant and reduces force required to operate the valve. Lubricant pressure momentarily lifts the plug from the seat and makes it easy to turn. Also, its high pressure assures no trapping of solids between valve body and plug. Sealant lubricant requirements. Sealant must be such that it should not get washed away with fluid. Otherwise, fluid will get contaminated. Also, it should be able to withstand line temperature. Sealant lubricant requirements. Lubricants in plug valves are actually plastic sealants. Using effective sealants with properties such as proper elasticity, resistance to solvents and chemicals, and ability to form an impervious seal around each body part even under pressure is essential. The form of lubricant also protects the metal surfaces between the plug and body from corrosion. Availability. Lubricated plug valves are normally manufactured in size ranging from nominal pipe size of 1 inch through 36 inch. They can be used in applications with pressure over 2500 psi. Double black and bleed black valve. Double black and bleed black valve, also known as double isolation plug valve, has two plug valves and one with a small drain in the middle. It is designed for critical set-off applications where absolute set-off is required for safety, environmental or process reasons. These valves are lubricated plug valves. Applications. Double black and bleed black valves are used for critical applications like compressor isolation, pump isolation, meter isolation, water or gas injection system isolation, critical vents, drains and blow downs to atmosphere. Availability. Flowsource company makes these valves in 2 to 24 inch INSA 150, 300, 600, 900, 1500, 2500, APA 6A, 2000, 3000, 5000 with following features. Ground and lapped metal to metal seat ensure tight shut-off to resist erosion. Seats are fully protected with valve open. Dynamic balancing prevents unequal pressure above or below the plug. Pressure energized stem packing. Ball bearing ensures smooth operation and more accurate seat adjustment. Gear operated above 6 inch. Operators. Manual using wrench. Bar stem with mounting flange for actuation. Manual worm gear with vertical hand wheels. Manual worm gear with horizontal hand wheels. Manual worm gear with one vertical and one horizontal hand wheel. Pattern. Short pattern, regular full bore venturi. Applicable codes and standards. ASME B6215 for flanges connection dimensions, face-to-face dimension as per manufacturer. Materials of construction. Body cast steel, ASTM A216 grade WCB, cover EN 10025 to S355J2. Plug cast iron ASTM A126 class B. Non-lubricated plug valves. Non-lubricated plug valves contain an elastomeric body liner or sleeve which is installed in a body cavity. The tapered and polished plug acts like a wedge and presses the sleeve against the body. Thus, the non-metallic sleeve reduces the friction between the plug and the body. Non-lubricating plug valves are used where maintenance must be kept to a minimum. Like lubricating plug valves, these valves also provide a bubble-tight closure and are compact size. Advantages. Simple design with few ports, quick to open or close, can be serviced in place, offers minimal distance to flow, provides reliable bubble, tight leak proof on or service. The whipping of the action of a plug does not permit suspended particles to accumulate and form crud. Seal can be maintained by injection of sealant or by replacement of sleeve. In addition to utilizing the wedging action of a tapered plug, multiple port design helps reduce number of valves needed and permit change in flow direction. Disadvantages. Requires greater force to actuate due to high friction. Nominal pipe size 4 inch and larger valves require use of actuator. Reduced port due to tapered plug. Typically, plug valves may cost more than ball valves. Application. Air, gases and vapor services, natural gas piping system, coal slurries, mineral ores, mud and sewage applications, oil piping systems, vacuum to high pressure applications. Sample material specification. Service. Liquid sulfur. Please share with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe and ask professional. Thank you.